Hi, my name is Aaron Kim, owner of Seoul. This is Cooking in Place Berkeley, and today we're going to prepare bulgogi. Bulgogi is a thinly sliced ribeye that's marinated in a soy sauce marinade. The ingredients that you need for bulgogi are about 1.5 pounds of beef, thinly sliced, preferable, and 1.5 cups of soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of garlic, grated or minced, and then 1/2 cup of onions that's grated, and a cup of water, a cup of applesauce, and then a cup of mirin. And mirin is a item that you could substitute with additional water and a little bit of sugar if you don't have it. It's essentially a cooking wine, alcohol that helps kind of absorption of the marinade, but it's not a necessary component, but we do recommend it. First we do is we're gonna fold all of the ingredients into one bowl. Pour it into the bulgogi meat. And then we'll just sort of fold them together so the marinade gets into every slices of the protein. And we recommend that you leave it overnight in the fridge, and the next day it'll be a perfect bulgogi marinade. Bulgogi is a traditional Korean barbecue that most people would try when they first experience Korean barbecue. And we actually use it in our rice bowls called bibimbap. So that's one of the more main components that we utilize in our restaurant. But you can also utilize in a more fusion component, such as like egg toast that we are going to start to introduce very soon. So it helps the flavor of egg toast be more interesting and also a bit more Korean.